Hello my YouTube family, welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. I hope you're all okay. Today's recipe is Ramadan special recipe. Today I'm making crispy potato sticks. So to make crispy potato sticks, we need 3 to 4 fully mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons coriander, 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon rice flour, and 1/4 cup cheese, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, salt as per taste, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 3 tablespoon corn flour. So let's get started. So in mashed potatoes, first we add rice flour, corn flour and all spices. Now mix it well. Now we add cheese, coriander, now again mix it well. Now leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, grease your hands. Now make a ball. Now this is how we will shape this ball like a stick. Okay, so our potato sticks are ready. It's time to fry it. First, heat up the cooking oil. Now fry these potato sticks on medium-low flame. Fry these potato sticks until the golden brown color is formed. So our crispy potato sticks are ready.